In this video, I want to demonstrate how to suppress and unsuppress certain features for different configurations. So I've created this part with a 1/4-20 tapped hole, and then I went and added a cavity and a cut sweep to it. They really should be in a different configuration than this 1/4-20 tapped hole. To do that, I'm going to move up to the Configuration Manager. I'm going to right click on the part name. I'm going to add a new configuration, and I'm going to call this configuration with the cut thread. So I've created my configuration. I'll press enter to accept that. Then I'm going to come back to the feature tree, and I'm going to select the cut sweep. I'm going to hold shift on my keyboard, and I'm going to move up and select my cavity so everything in between is selected. All of this I would like to be suppressed in the default configuration. So next I'm going to right click. I'm going to move over and select configure feature. Here I'm going to turn on the checkbox to suppress these features in the default configuration. Then I'll come over here and I'm going to tell it to rebuild all configurations, and I'll give it a minute. And then I'll select OK. So I want to double check this worked. I'll come back to the Configuration Manager, double click on the default configuration. I could see the sweep cut thread disappear. And I'll come over here, and these are all suppressed as they should be. Then I'll come back here and I'll double click on this configuration and make sure it looks good. And they're unsuppressed here.